Are you excited to learn my nighttime routine with the new Barrier Restore 113? I have it all laid out. This has actually helped me because I've had to pull out my order of application sheet morning and night with all the new Retinol 0.3, this new Barrier Restore. I've added in the nighttime recovery. I'm doing all of this magical stuff so that I can fight aging every step of the way. But I want to share with you, first of all, what I'm using, and then I'm going to share a little bit about the ingredients that are in these products and why they are so key for you to have them every night. Now, as you know, if you work with me, we take our makeup off at 6 or 7. We wash our face and get our nighttime routine on at 6 or 7 before we're too tired. The only time your skin will heal is at night, and it is fighting for its life all day long. So nighttime, it heals. And these are all healing products that we're putting on. So again, I'm going to start with my milk cleanser that is best for my skin, for my super sensitive skin. I follow it with HA plus ceramide. You would put any other booster before this. If you're using ferulic acid and niacinamide, it goes on before HA plus ceramide. Vitamin C plus resveratrol before. PHA, AHA before. I don't use those. I simply use this booster. I follow it with the lifting serum. This is a morning and night for me. And if you have a hard time remembering the serums in order, if you drop the serum off C plus E, they're alphabetized. So it's C plus E, followed by lifting serum, followed by nighttime recovery, which is the next product. As you see the pretty beads in here, filled with vitamins A, C, and E, fresh resveratrol. We all need resveratrol. And for us repair users, we're going to get it in our nighttime recovery. That's where we're going to get it. Or the vitamin C plus resveratrol that I can't use. It's too harsh on my skin. But I can use that vitamin C. And in the morning, the serum C plus E. Okay, then I'm going to go right into my eye cream because you want to protect your eyes before you put on your retinol 0.3. So eye cream, then retinol. Okay, and this is fun. Then we go right behind with our face relaxer, our non-toxic, all botanicals, all plant-based face relaxer, the muscle relaxer for your face so you don't get dynamic wrinkles. Then I fill in my deep dynamic wrinkles with the deep wrinkle filler and I slather it on. So then once we've got those on, and you know, I know to wait to dry between some of them. I'm brushing my teeth, I'm pulling the covers down, I'm getting my pajamas out, all of those things. Okay, then we pop in our new Clinical Solutions Barrier Restore. Everybody wants to use this morning and night, and I'm going to tell you why in a minute. And then I follow it with, of course, my Retinol Night Repair. This is time-released retinol. So let's say you want a simpler system. Leave this out, put this in. So make sure you're using one or the other because this is the gold standard. Behind a skincare set, it's retinol. That's the next biggest priority. Then I do like to follow my nighttime recovery or my nighttime repair with the Naturally Oil because this has squalane in it. And I know that squalane is very, very important. So let's talk a little bit about why I think this new Barrier Restore is absolutely a must for everyone. Okay, so first of all, it has essential fatty acids in it. They maintain your skin's barrier, the hydration. Key, it reduces inflammation in your skin. So if you have any skin problems, dryness, patchiness, it's just rougher, you want this to reduce inflammation. That's probably what's going on if you have a skin problem. And then it also, let's see, what's the other thing? I've got all these notes. Okay, cholesterol. That is so important, you guys. We want to put cholesterol into our skin because it helps the mortar that holds the bricks together. The bricks are the cells and the mortar holds them all together. And so the cholesterol maintains hydration and protects our skin from irritants. So it works best, cholesterol works best with ceramides and essential fatty acids. Ta-da! We have 1:1:3. That's the perfect ratio. And you do want to have a ratio that is a correct formulation. So it's going to improve your skin overnight using our new Barrier Restore product. I talked about resveratrol. Resveratrol is an extremely powerful antioxidant, and separating it from vitamin C and retinol, those are important, but resveratrol is very important too because it essentially protects collagen. Resveratrol is there to protect our skin from damage, including collagen, and it makes it a crucial part of what we do to our skin every single night is to put on, well, morning and night. When you're using the Miracle Set, you are using the resveratrol all the time. So let's look at retinol. That turns on the pathways to build more collagen. Let's look at vitamin C. It strengthens the collagen that's already there. And then resveratrol is protecting it from damage, either from UV or free radicals. It's what happens when a plant gets hurt with hail or aphids, then resveratrol goes to fix the leaf on your plant. And that's what's helping us. And then, of course, retinol. Retinol stimulates collagen production, increases cell turnover, increases the speed that your skin is renewed, rejuvenated, revived. It improves texture, adult acne, reduces lines and wrinkles, and refines pores. Who doesn't want all of those things? Vitamin C, you don't want to use that at night if you're using your retinol, except the small amount that comes in the nighttime recovery. So that's why I can use that. But it protects against UV damage. It helps with collagen production, improves skin's firmness, and hyperpigmentation. If that's a problem, you definitely want vitamin C. So I'm excited about these new products. I hope you are too. And be sure to check with your beauty consultant. She will consult you on exactly the order and what products are best for you, prioritizing them. You decide. First and foremost, skincare. Next would be a retinol product. Next would be vitamin C and resveratrol. But you decide, and she can help you with that. Isn't that wonderful? So thanks for tuning in. That's my nighttime routine. Of course, I do all the masking, the glycolic acid peel, all of those things. We have all those products too. So have a great day, and thank you for watching. Bye-bye.